You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that makes a lot of people confused and clear things up once and for all. So what is the correct pronunciation in English? Well, there are two indeed. In the US, the pronunciation is generally as troche, alright? As with CH pronounced like a K, troche, troche, that's easy. But now, in British English in the UK, it is more generally pronounced British English pronunciation, troche, troche. This is why you have a confusion. Some people say troche, other troche, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.